Have you been looking for a very easy strategy that's going to help you to scalp and make profit? Come closer, grab a seat, and be focused because today I'm going to show you a very easy strategy that you are going to use to scalp and it's going to transform your trading experience. This is so amazing and it's so easy and it's beginner friendly. Using this strategy, you are going to make massive profit, guys. Now, look at the chart. Look at our chart right here. Okay, we have indicators on our main chart, right? We have three simple indicators, very easy to set up and very easy to use. So today I'm going to give you a scalping strategy that's going to make you profitable. Now, this is 1 minute scalping strategy that's going to make you fast money, guys. Now, let's look at how this strategy works. Okay, now this strategy we're going to be looking at for a zone where there is consolidation, right? I'm going to, you know what I mean by consolidation. Okay, when the price is in a ranging form. Okay, price is ranging. Okay, is on a ranging form. Okay, it's not showing that is bullish, very bullish, or bearish, very bearish. No, it's on a ranging form. Price is moving in a sideways manner. So you are going to identify such zone on your chart, like the one we have here. When you look at this place, this zone, you will notice that this price right here is currently ranging, right? Okay, now when price is ranging, you really cannot tell the direction is gonna break towards. Either it's gonna break upward or it's gonna break downward. Okay, is that gonna go bullish or sellers are gonna win and it's gonna go bearish? So on a ranging market you cannot tell, but with this strategy you'll be able to identify the zone, okay, the side at which price is gonna what break towards. Now after identifying the area of consolidation, right, so we are going to look, when you look at the indicators we have here, okay, we have three indicators, the blue, the red, and the green. Okay, these are exponential moving averages. Okay, it's so easy to set up and it's so easy to use. Now the green moving average right here is the 200 exponential moving average, and that is what we are going to be looking at majorly to take trade. Okay, now, okay, so previously price was on an uptrend. Can you see that it was trending up, and the 200 MA, okay, the 200 EMA, okay, was below the price, right? And then we got to a period of consolidation right here, of which you cannot tell if the price is still bullish or bearish, right? You cannot tell if it's downward trend or upward trend right at this zone, right? Okay, and then when you look at the EMAs, okay, the three EMAs, you can see that they cannot give a clear direction. They are neither below the price, neither are they above the price, right? So they're just going through the price, like going through the middle of the price, right? You can see that right here. It's unlike this place where you can really tell that it is below the price, right? So after a period of consolidation, after noticing a period of consolidation, you wait to see that the price takes out this last low. This is the last low we have here, okay, in terms of if we're looking for a buy signal. So we'll be looking for the last low price made, which is this. Okay, so you wait and see that price took out this last low, and you can see the moving averages, they are neither below nor above the price. So price took out that last low. This is what I mean by price taking out the last low. You can see that this is lower than the other low, the previous low, right? So price took out that low. So when price took out that low, it started what? Trending up, right? It started trending up. Now we're not going to just jump in because it started trending up after taking out that low. That is what we call liquidity, right? It's liquidity grab. So we're not going to jump in. We're going to wait till when price closes above the 200 EMA, right? You can see as price is going, it goes above the first EMA, which is the red, and then it goes above the second EMA, which is the blue, then it goes above the what? green EMA, which is the 200 EMA. Now when price goes above the red EMA, we do nothing, we just observe. Okay, when price goes above the blue EMA, we do nothing, we just observe, and we wait until price goes above the green EMA, and not just going above it, but it closes above it. Okay, and when price closes the candle, let me zoom in. Okay, you can see that right there. When price close above the 200 EMA, you can see that it closed with a large body candlestick, right? You can see that it closed with a large body candlestick, and that shows that there is a high momentum, a high buying pressure. Okay, so right there, when price closes, we want hop into the trade. Yeah, we hop into the trade right here, and then we make massive profit. You put your SL just below the moving averages, okay, the last low below the moving averages, okay, and then we ride massive profit. This is 1 minute scalping strategy I'm giving to you, and you are going to make massive and fast profit. Okay, I want to show you that this strategy works very well in all assets, be it currency pairs, be it boom and crash, be it synthetic, any type. It works for crypto, it works for everything. So this is exactly what you're going to be doing. So the first thing to do is identify an area of what? Consolidation. And after the area of consolidation, wait for when price breaks the last low. Okay, it takes out the last low. Can you see that? It took out the last low right here, as though it's going to go bearish, and then it reverses, okay, and start trending up. And when it starts trending up, it gets to the first, the second EMA, we do nothing. We wait until what? It breaks the 200 EMA with a very bullish candlestick. So right there is when we hop into the trade, and then we ride massive profit. Now it works for all assets. Okay, so here is an example of a bearish trade, right? So after identifying an area of consolidation, like we have over here, okay, and like we have over here, right? So area of consolidation, and then we wait to see the time at which price breaks down below the 200 EMA, which is the green EMA, with a large body candlestick. I'm going to zoom in. Let's see if we can find a large body candlestick right there where price broke down. Can you see that? Can you see that? That's right where price broke down. It broke down with a large body candlestick, not a small body candlestick. Can you see that? Price closed with a large body candlestick, and you can see more large body candlesticks, and this is a signal for you to jump into the trade and make massive profit. Okay, so this strategy is very easy and it's beginner friendly, and I hope you grabbed something. I hope it's very easy for you to understand. Now let me show you the settings of the EMAs. Is very easy. So let's head over to the indicator window. So on our indicator window, we have the 3 EMAs moving averages on the main chart. So we're going to check out the setting of the first moving average. So the first moving average, we have the parameters to be period 25, shift is 0, and the method is exponential, and apply to close. Okay, then you choose the color of the style, okay, which I use red for the 25 moving average. Then you click on save. Let's check out the second moving average. The second moving average is period 50, shift 0, method is exponential, and apply to close. So there are no levels, you just have to set the color you want, and I chose blue for the 50 moving average. So the last moving average is period 200, shift is 0, method is exponential, apply to close, and choose any color, and then you click on save. Head over to your chart now and start making profits. Thank you for watching, and start making profit. Don't forget to click the subscribe button if you got value from this video. Like it and share to your friends. Thank you for watching. Bye.